my sweet baby, on loan from above. No better treasure could I have more love. I stand here beside your bed as I pray. I lay my hand on your head and I say, may you grow up to serve Him all of your days. May He lead you and guide you in all of your ways. May His hand bless your future with friendships that last. May you cherish your youth and not grow up too fast. I stare in wonder at your tiny frame, just to think that God knows you by name. He knows every hair on your beautiful head. He knows all your thoughts before they are said. May you grow up to serve Him all of your days. May He lead you and guide you in all of your ways. May His hand bless your future with friendships that last. May you cherish your youth and not grow up too fast. May God grant you peace in the midst of a storm. May God give you strength even when you're forlorn. May you answer the door when Jesus comes knocking. May wisdom guide you when your mouth is talking. May discretion protect you and keep you pure. May you never stumble or fall for a lure. May your heart remain humble to the very end. May uprightness and truth be what you defend. May the world not ensnare or change who you are. And may the light that's within you shine like the stars. May angels surround you, body, spirit, mind. May favor and peace be yours to find. May rejection and pain never reach you. May your spirit grow bold for what you're called to. As you rest in God's care, I will rest too, knowing that Jesus is watching over you. Amen.
I love you, Mommy.